is my name. I've come here, passing through Brahmaputra, Dholeshwari rivers and many other places. I am flowing continuously for hundreds of years. The life of the city, the development story, and the dream of freedom of the Bengalis, all these have flourished in my banks. But today, this beloved city is the reason of my death. My banks have been seized here and there because of the greed of the people. There is no greenery in my two sides. There is only concrete waste. My clean body is now filled with dirty tannery waste. My water is now contaminated. This water is no longer suitable for drinking and bathing. No life can survive in this water. It only stinks and spreads diseases. I have ended up becoming a big dustbin and am heading towards my death. There is none to rescue me. I'm considered as the most unwanted dweller of the city. But if I die, how would the city survive? It is high time. Save me for your need and for the life